Good, Holly.
There we go. Now go get your ball and go hit it to the next
You're doing good.
What's the matter? What?
There's lots of monarchs out here.
Huh? Yeah, because they're passing through. Remember?
Yeah.
On TV?
Yeah.
Lisa, hurry up. There's somebody waiting.
Cute. You're
That
doing.
giraffe is a good golfer.
Wow, I never saw a giraffe golf that good. Good, Holly.
Is that it?
I think you're done now, cutie.
Now you got to take that back to the table. Bring it to the pumpkin. She looks cute in that outfit.
She does.
The girl I mean for the Holly.
Oh, the girl. What'd you get?
Hey, James.